Okay, so this is the wireframes and screen grabs of my project. At the moment the code is not worked and is currently not viewable, and because of that I'm focusing mostly on this with the explanations of what would be happening. Now this is the home page where the user will log in. As you can see, there's the space for where they will enter their username and their password, and the submit button to allow them to log in, plus the next page if they've already gone through these steps. All of this is done so they will just be able to immediately come into their system and be able to log their hours. Now, if they have any problems, like they need to actually talk to let one of the higher ups know, they can easily go to the attendant to this help page. The help page will have their username, which they will enter themselves, and then they will just enter the problem that they are having. And once they've done that, they will submit, causing the page to refresh with a small message appearing saying that they will be brought to the next page, that not to the next page, that they have it's been sent off. Now, up in the left-hand corner, there's the home page button, which will bring them back to the login screen or the home page that is used once they've already logged in. The previous and next pages will even bring them back to the page they were on beforehand, or the page that comes after the help page. And this is what this will allow them to be able to just navigate the system quite easily. The color scheme of blue and grey and white comes from the fact that this is quite viewable and will not cause any problems whether it is on a mobile device or a laptop or a computer. And this is what the attendance table will actually look like. It will show the amount of hours that they have worked, as well as the days they have worked. This will be updated each time that they log onto the system and their hours are updated, which will happen quite a bit whenever during each day. And it will be done to make sure that it is properly being logged. This format will only be seen by the administrators and the staff, as they will only have the access to the actual pages and security that will allow them to see it. Regular users and volunteers won't be able to access it. They'll only be able to see a table of their hours for the day and the week. And all of this will allow them to just easily view what is happening and if there are any changes that being made, they can easily contact an administrator or go back to the help page, which will allow them to just send off that the hours have been logged wrong. In that case, it would also either be a fault in the system, or it was just the way that they were logged in and out, or if they logged out early. But it is just to make sure that it is all being logged properly.